Good morning everyone. Hope you all are healthy and fit at your place. So today we are here with our new video of the interface. Here in this video we will learn about the both CUI character or the command line user interface and GUI, that is the graphical user interface. But before going to explain both, we will first discuss what the interface is exactly. So interface is basically a kind of environment, or we can also say that it's a kind of medium through which we can connect with our computer system, means the place where we are working or where we work. So we have two types of environment. Number one, the CUI, and number second, the GUI. So for further detailed knowledge of that, we first move to our slideshow screen.
Here we are on our slideshow presentation screen. So we will discuss about two interfaces. Number one is CUI, that is the character, or you can use the word command line user interface. And the another thing is your GUI, that is your graphical user interface. So first let me move to our CUI. So what is CUI? The question is, what is CUI? That is, CUI means you have to take help of a keyboard to type the commands to interact with the computer. You can only type the text to give the commands to the computer, as in MS-DOS or the command prompt. Means basically CUI is a character or a command line user interface. Here you have got a black screen where you have to type the commands by using the keyboard. Means suppose you have to copy any file and you have to paste any file, or you have to create a folder. So for all that purposes, what you have to do, you have to type the commands for interacting with your computer system. Okay, just you have typed the text or commands in the MS-DOS, that is the Microsoft Disk Operating System. As same, the black screen is known as the command prompt, where you type your commands for performing the task or the actions. There are no images or graphics on the screen, and it is a primitive type of interface. Means when we are talking about the graphic CUI, that is the command line or the character user interface, in this the image in which the screen that you got has no images, no graphics, no color, nothing at all. It is just like a type of primitive interface. Okay, that interface is called the command prompt. In the beginning, computers had to be operated through this interface, and users who have seen it say that they had to contend with a black screen with white text only. Means when it was the beginning of the computer system, then in the starting the user can only have the CUI operating system. Then they can work on this interface that has the black screen along with the white text on it. In those days, there was no need of a mouse, as CUI did not support the uses of pointer device. Means we only required a single device to type the commands. We are not required any pointing device, because the CUI environment doesn't support any of the pointer device, that is your mouse. It only requires a typing device, that is your keyboard. CUI have gradually become outdated, with the more advanced GUI taking their place as soon as the technology grows. So same as CUI operating system becomes outdated, with the mouse advanced GUI taking their place. Means nowadays the era is of your GUI environment. However, even the most modern computers have a modified version of CUI called the CLI, that is command line interface. Now, by looking at GUI interface, the most modern computers with the high-tech security features have modified their version of CUI. Now it is known as the CLI, that is your command line interface. Here you have seen the CUI interface on your screen. So whatever you have to write, this black screen is known as the prompt. Whatever you have to write, you just do it by writing the text. If you want to copy, if you want to execute, if you want to open, if you want to write any command, if you want to create a directory, any folder, volume up of device, format the computer system. So for all and everything, you just have to write the commands. By writing the commands, only task is to be performed. So here this one is your CUI environment. Next is GUI environment, that is the graphical user interface environment. GUI is an interface that allows users to interact with different electronic devices using your icon and other visual indicators. Means GUI is an environment that has all the interactive features that allows the user to work easily with them. A GUI is a system of interactive visual components for the computer system. Means GUI environment provide the interactive visual components, like it can provide you the clicking, mouse clicking. If you want to delete any file, then you have the recycle bin. If you want to open or get inside the computer system, that you have the my computer icon. If you want to click on the start menu, then you have the start menu at all. Okay, so it provide you the whole graphical features. A GUI displays objects that convey information and represent the action that can be taken by the user. As the name concerns, G means the graphic. It provides us the displaying object that conveys some information. Means every object, suppose if we are clicking by using the mouse, then it conveys the information and it represents the action that can be performed by the user. The object change their color, their size, their visibility when the user interacts with them. Means the thing now become more interactive by using the GUI environment. Here you have seen the example of your GUI environment. Like your slider is here, status bar is here, icons are there, tabs, windows, manipulating icons. Okay. Now, the next topic that we are going to discuss is the elements of your GUI environment. Now, here are some basic elements of your GUI environment. Number four is the window screen. This is the element that displays the information on the screen. Basically, the screen that you open on your computer system, it is the element that it shows the information. Okay. Now, the next element that you have seen is a menu. A menu contains a list of choices and it allows the user to select one from them. Means if we want to create a folder, then what we have to do, we just have to right click on our screen, then it again shows us a menu list from where we have to select the folder option. Means we have to select the choice. Okay. The next is icon. So what are the icons? The small graphical pictures on the screen is called the icons. The next thing is the tab element. It usually contains a text label or a graphical icon. The next is controls. These are also known as the widgets. Here you have seen a difference between the GUI and CUI interface. Here this one is the active or interactive interface that shows the GUI screen, and the next one is your command line interface screen that is in the black color, and whatever you have to do, you just do it by writing the commands through the keyboard. Here are some difference between the CUI and GUI. So, CUI and GUI are the user interface used in the connection with the computers. If we want to perform any task in the computer, then we will use any of the environment, that is CUI and GUI. It provides the connection or it provides a medium through which we can connect with our computer system. The next difference is CUI is the precursor of GUI and stands for the character user interface, where user has to type on the keyboard to proceed. Means if a user want to perform the task in the CUI, then he or she want to typed by using the keyboard. On the other hand, GUI stands for the graphical user interface, which makes it possible to use a mouse instead of the keyboard. In GUI, we most use the mouse because it supports the pointer device, and if we want to perform any of the tasks, then we can mostly use the mouse here. GUI is much easier to navigate than CUI, means we can easily operate the GUI screen in comparison to the CUI screen, because GUI screen shows us the graphic that is easy for a layman to operate your computer system. Most modern computers uses GUI. Nowadays, most of the computers that are in the modern era uses the GUI environment. DOS is an example of CUI, whereas Windows is an example of your GUI. Disk operating system is the example of GUI. It has the black prompt screen, whereas the Windows is an example of GUI, that is the graphical user interface. GUI consumes more system space while CUI needs lesser system resource and space. Graphical user interface consumes more system space because of its graphics, whereas the CUI needs the lesser system space and resource. CUI is faster than the GUI as it contains or it can compress the less system storage or less system speed or the space, then its speed is faster in comparison to the graphical user interface. It's easy to perform a task in GUI and is good for the beginners. If a user is new in the computer system, then it will be easier for them to use the GUI screen. On the other hand, CLI or CUI needs expertise over commands and the syntax, means a person can operate the CUI interface only in that case that they are expertise over the commands and syntax. CUI enables user to type the manual command in order to perform the desired task. CUI also enable the user to type the proper commands to perform any of the desired tasks. Whereas in GUI, users provided the visuals to interact with the operating system, such as your buttons, icons, images, etc. Means if we are not familiar with the computer system, then we can easily operate if we have the GUI environment, because it provided us the buttons, icons, images that is more easier for the user to operate or to work on that by watching or by seeing their icons. So nowadays it all comes up with the GUI environment. Here you have seen in your mobile phone there are a number of big applications and the icons that also contains the GUI environment, and in your tablets, in your palm tops, in your laptops today. Most of the systems are using the GUI environment. Okay. So if we want to access or if we want to use the CUI environment, so first of all we have the vast knowledge of the command that we have to return, or by using that command we will perform our task. Okay. So that's all about.
So dear students, hope you all are getting what I have taught in this video. So if you have any doubt, any query related to the video, then you can ask me, you can call me, or you can WhatsApp me or drop a message in the drop box. But one more thing you have to remember, along with this video, I have also attached one PDF. So you have to complete that PDF on the time and send it to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.